Ever twisted your throttle but your bike responded like it was half asleep? That lag, hesitation, or a jerky acceleration could be your throttle position sensor or TPS crying out for help. The throttle position sensor is a small but critical electronic device mounted on your throttle body or the carburetor. It tells your bike's ECU exactly how far the throttle is open, whether you're cruising, accelerating, or coasting. Without it, your fuel mapping goes blind. Here is the magic. Inside the TPS, there is either a resistive track with a wiper or a non-contact Hall effect sensor. As you twist the throttle, the sensor's output voltage changes, typically from 0.5 volts at idle to around 4.5 volts at full throttle. The ECU reads this and adjusts the fuel injection and the ignition timing in real time. Smooth throttle is always equal to a smooth ride. Let's now look at the symptoms of a bad TPS sensor. When the TPS fails or sends erratic signals, your bike starts showing symptoms like hesitation or jerky acceleration, sudden surging or stalling, poor fuel economy, engine check light, or the EFI error codes. Let's now look at the causes for a TPS failure. Common causes include wear on the resistive track, corrosion on terminals, damaged wiring, or simply aging electronics. Off-road riders often see earlier failures due to dirt and vibrations. How do I test a TPS sensor? Testing the TPS is simple. Use a multimeter to check the voltage change as you twist the throttle. Look for smooth increase without jumps. Scan with OBD2 or the manufacturer tool to read the live TPS data. If the voltage drops suddenly or fluctuates, your TPS may be faulty. Let's look at the reset and calibration. Some bikes allow TPS reset via simple sequence: ignition on, full throttle twist, ignition off, or via diagnostic software. For others, replacement and ECU recalibration might be necessary. Always check your service manual before you get into this. A well-functioning TPS keeps your bike responsive, fuel efficient, and smooth. You ignore it and you're in for a rough ride. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a fellow rider, and subscribe to Apex to Merc for more motorcycle tech breakdowns.